Good morning students. In this video we will continue the same chapter complex number with a different topic, which is polar representation of complex numbers. What is the polar representation? As we have read x comma y, this is the coordinates of any point. This system is known as Cartesian system. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is a point which is x distance from the x-axis and y distance from the y-axis, and this coordinates are x comma y. This is Cartesian system. Similarly, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. If there is any point P, then its distance from the origin is denoted by r, and it makes an angle theta with the x-axis. Then its coordinates are denoted by r comma theta. This is polar form. Here in Cartesian system, the points are denoted as the distance from x-axis and y-axis. But in polar form, first coordinate is the distance of the point from the origin, and second coordinate is the angle which makes the line with the x-axis. This is polar form. So we will see how to represent a complex number in polar form. Consider a point. In complex number, x-axis is real axis and y-axis is imaginary axis. Okay, this is real and this is imaginary. If there is any point P which is r distance from the origin and makes an angle theta with the x-axis, means real axis, then its coordinates are r comma theta. This is x distance and this is y distance. If we apply trigonometrical concept here, then sin theta is equals to A and B. Sin theta equal perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So sin theta equal AP upon OP, and AP is x, OP is r. So we get x equal r sin theta. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, so this is equals to AO upon OP. AO is equals to y and OP is r. We get the second relation, y equals to r cos theta. Now, if z is equals to x plus iy, then z is equals to the value of x is r sin theta plus I r cos theta. R is common, sin theta plus I cos theta. आई थिंक हमने उल्टा लिख दिया. X is ये डिस्टेंस ले ली. दिस इज y एक्सिस, दिस इज y डिस्टेंस, क्लियर, एंड दिस इज पैरेलल टू x एक्सिस, सो दिस इज x डिस्टेंस. AP is y, we get y equal r sin theta, and AO is equals to x, and we get x equal r cos theta. Now the relation is, putting these values, we get r cos theta plus I r sin theta. Taking r common, we get cos theta plus I sin theta. This is the polar form of a complex number. Where r is equals to, अगर r की वैल्यू निकालनी हो तो कैसे निकालेंगे? x स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर अंडर रूट, and theta is equals to tan inverse y upon x. R को हम लोग बोलते हैं मॉडुलस. ये मॉडुलस ही तो है, मॉडुलस ऐसे ही तो फाइंड करते थे, अंडर रूट ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. सो दिस इज मॉडुलस. R को क्या बोलते हैं? मॉडुलस. एंड थीटा इज argument. What is the name of theta? Argument. And this is equals to tan inverse y upon x. Now see the questions of polar form. We have given that z is equals to 3. Convert it into polar form. Then first we have to write this in a plus iv form. This is equals to x plus 0i. Here x is equals to 3, y is equals to 0. Now polar form is z equal r cos theta plus I sin theta. We have to find r and theta. R is equals to under root x square plus y square equal under root 3 का square plus 0 का square equal 3. And theta is equals to tan inverse y upon x. And y is 0, so this is equals to tan inverse 0. And what is the value of 0 in tan? At pi by 2, 90. This is equals to pi by 2. Tan inverse and tan cancel each other. So polar form of the given complex number is 3 cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. This is the polar representation of the given complex number. tan 0 is 0. So this is cos 0 plus I sin 0. See the next question. Z is equals to one plus I. We have to represent it in polar form. So x is equals to 1, y is equals to 1. The value of r is under root x square plus y square equal under root 1 square plus 1 square equal under root 2. And theta is equals to tan inverse y upon x equal tan inverse 1 upon 1 equal tan inverse tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is 1. Tan inverse tan cancel each other. The value of theta is pi by 4. Now the polar form of the given complex number is r cos theta plus I sin theta. Value of r is root 2. Cos theta is cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. This is the polar representation of the given complex number. So in this way you have to solve the other questions of the exercise. If you have any doubt in any question, then you can